Hello everyone, this is Long. Today I'm going to show you how to plant a fruit tree here in Las Vegas. Although it's dry here, but I do like fruit trees in the backyard, so I will attempt to plant these trees called persimmon trees. This is a tropical fruit trees that typically came from Southeast Asia. So I will attempt it and I'll see how it goes. Without any further ado, I will get started and I'll show you how. First of all, I have dug a hole for the trees that I'm planting is about 5-gallon trees. So typically you want to dig a hole about twice or 3 times as large. And here's my daughter, she'll be helping me today. And also the hole should be twice as deep as the current container that it is in. The next step is to mix the soils together, and I put together a list of things that will mix to put down the hole. And my oldest daughter here might help us today. The first part is about 1/3 part for the hole. I will add the native soils, which I've dug up from the holes.
Yeah.
You see here in Vegas, we have a lot of rocks.
We're
Want to
not
take those
Vegas.
out as much as possible. Yes, we are in Vegas.
We're in Las Vegas.
Yes. And the next part is 1/3 parts compost, and this type has some plenty mixed with mulch. And I will add as much as warm cotton as possible.
And
Also fertilizer, and this one especially has mycorrhiza.
And my dad hasn't been great at tree planting, so I hope it gets soon.
Well, hopefully this one I'll do better. Okay.
I don't think so, you guys.
You gotta believe in me. Okay.
No. Okay, you guys, I'm holding the phone. Okay. The next part we have to mix me up.
Not mix you, mix the compost.
I don't know how to say it. And the next
one
one.
right here.
Yeah,
Hold the
and
camera up higher.
okay, look at that handsome face. You guys, my dad's not great at planting, you know that.
I am good at planting.
No, look at this tree. It's dead. It's dead. This tree is dead. You're terrible. I think you need some tree lesson from a teacher who knows.
I've got plenty of tree lessons, so.
No, you haven't. Your parents treat. I want to put that in.
Are you recording?
I want to put that in.
Okay. Put some of it in.
A lot?
No, that's it. That's good.
Okay.
That's good. Okay.
Okay, let me record the phone. I told you that I was going to put that in. Well, we're saving some because so the next day we're going to mix it up. Right?
Yeah.
But I don't think if it could work, we're going to do this
Can you
every
hold the
day.
camera higher?
Sure.
So you can put this warm cotton as much as possible that you can afford.
Well, you guys, I hope this planting works because we never planted before, or we haven't been doing this before. But if we mix it up and it works, it's a success. Oh, Daddy, I see a rock.
I know, I can pick it out.
Okay. Look at that.
Look at what?
Look at that baby right there playing. Hi, Ella. Look, I love's in the phone.
You see?
Yeah, I see her.
Okay. I'm done mixing this.
Okay.
Okay. next step, I'm adding some soil in the hole so that I can measure this.
You guys are back. I'm back.
You do not want the soil to surpass this line here where it is in the pot.
Definitely not, because it will be wrong. Right, Dad? But if we mix it all together at the same time, I don't think this could work, Dad. No, not really. You guys think this will work? No? Okay. No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't.
This step is very important. Is you have to add mulch, and here in Las Vegas is very dry and hot. So mulch will help retain the moisture under your trees. Otherwise, you're gonna get dry a lot. You have to water a lot. So you can never go wrong with adding mulch as much as possible. Typically, I want to add around 2 to 3 inches, 4 to 5. Better. Here you go. A lot of layer of mulch, and it's really important that after you put your plants down is to water it very thoroughly. So I'll pause the video. So the next step is I water the plants with this solution, and what it does is it prevents shocks from transplanting. I've been told that when you add this solution to a gallon of water, 1 tablespoon to a gallon of water, it will help it from getting stressed when you move from a pot to the hole. So I've mixed 1 tablespoon with a gallon of water, and I'll water slowly.
Really?
Okay, that's it, and I'll make a updated video on how this plant turned out. If you like the video, please give us a thumb up, and Give a comment down below. Thank you.